Hello and welcome to the channel. Hello, welcome to the channel. Ah, for Christ's sake. Right, hello, today we are... don't know what we're doing. That's Falkirk there, and that's Stirling. Oh! This used to be Stirlingshire. There's some jickery-pookery, they changed it. All for the benefit of not us. Don't know whose dog that is. Some weird dog from the scheme. Weird dog. Oh God, Charlie. God's sake. Embarrassing. Oh. Oh, everything's drying up. They're all drying up. Oh! Apart from that bit. These sunglasses are knackered. I can't see a bloody thing on them. These ones. Wow. I'll have to get a picture of this. Either the camera's froze or the dog's not moving. Wow. That'd be a handy thing to have, wouldn't it, for doing the garden? Oh, what the hell's going on here? Throsk. Doesn't have any carpets. So look at some firewood. Rotten. It's all rotten. Rotten stuff. Don't know what's going on there. What's all that for? That's the railway line, of course. The old railway line. There's a fence there. Oh! Aha! Ah, look! The digger's not been going through there. Well, there's a bit of firewood. What the hell's all this for? Get what else is about. firewood's not much good, is it? Really? This is the railway line. Right here. Right. So we've got Is that what they're doing? What is that for? What's that cable for? Obviously something dim that I don't know. Ah, right, there it is there. Oh shit, fucking nettles! Ugh. Right, have a quick look here and we'll follow the cable. So there's, look at that view. That's nice, isn't it? Huh? There's Clitterman Tower, Wallace Monument. Can almost see cable board from here. Maybe behind that tree. Right, let's get up. We'll try not to spend too long doing this. I don't want the video to last hours. Right, there's the end of the cable there. Let's follow it. Jesus Christ. Oh. Right. Oh. Adventures. Adventurous life I've got. There's a dag. A dag. Caution, electric cable. Right. Fucking hell, Doug. What are you doing? Fucking daft Doug. I'm a bit tired today. I've been up since like 2:30 in the morning. Suffering a bit. Yeah. Oh God. So, oh, this is the railway line here. Yeah. Telegraph pole. Is that crossing over the railway line? There. Wow. I'll just go up to the end here and she's got something went in my a thistle or something. Something in my boot. It made me very grumpy, angry, violent. Oh god. So I dug all this up to put electric cable in. What's it? Ah, it's cable in there. Electric cable. I don't know if that's if they've got that far, but it stops down there. Yeah. So why does it stop? Is it because you're going to fit something? What? A fucking wind farm? Oh, right. God. Don't want the greens to see this. They have a bit of a, mind you, they like pollution, don't they? So obviously they must have been fitting this cable. Oh, there you go. We'll hacksaw it and see what happens. Hacksaw through it, see if it's connected.
We'll find out because we'll walk up the other end.
Be the last video that I've ever done. Be my final video. Seems like a lot of work, I suppose, but for a digger it's... That's what diggers do. They dig. Don't they? Can you really put an electric cable in a railway line? What happens if they decide to reinstate the railway line? Which they'll never do anyway. This is Lucinda's Special Investigations Unit with a daft dog. Oh, I see her named birds and that. She's going to go pouncing over there any minute now. On the left there. Some firewood. Here, Doug. The road's up here. Just watch yourself. Trip up the video person. I'll just pop up here and see what's happened. I think the dog's going to be alright. That's not really much to see, you just see what you can see. Is they've been digging a cable, that's it really. I did wonder what they were doing. Did wonder. Yeah, beautiful greenery. Here we go. they burn nice. Hey, hey, Dag. Dag. Hi. Hey, hi there. Hey. Getting a bit near the road, eh? We don't trust you. Get off, Doug. Just don't know what the dog could do, eh? Fucking run right on the road. That'll be a splat. Hole. Fell down the hole again. What's this? Oh, there's the rolls of cable. More firewood. I did wonder why all this was getting sort of thingied. What a laugh, we'll roll them down the road. Just give them a wee push. So, winds or bushes or whatever, trees. Free collection of this drum. If we can see what it says. See if we can roll it over. SP Energy. Bonnie Bridge. Lanarkshire. Lanarkshire? Bonnie Bridge. It's Bonnie Bridge in Lanarkshire. Falkirk Road. Tracy Deans. SP Energy. Tracy Deans. Tracy 0141. I'll give her a ring. Right bit of wood in that, innit? It's like hardwood, innit? I mean, you could do a lot with them, couldn't you? I mean, you've got 3 wheels there. Can you make some kind of wheeled construction thing? Somebody nipping on there. There's a... Oh. Shut it. Don't even suggest that. So shut up. Shut it. Wow. Wow. Shut it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You can think things, but you can't say them. Well, I'd like to have caught that car going so fast. That was quite impressive. I get somebody else nipping on. Make a good video. Of course we were down there filming the pylons getting fixed. Ah right, so this is where the cable goes. Right there, I can hear somebody booting it up. This is where it goes. I can't really get any closer without getting killed. It's electric. I'd like to have got that. Right, so thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll get you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Pylons with nice new thingies for conductors or whatever they are. Thanks for watching. Bye.